Hi guys, we're gonna cook a beautiful banana cake from start to finish, guys. Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today, guys. In Selvin Kitchen we have an awesome delicious recipe for you guys. So I'm gonna do a nice video today. I ain't gonna do no live. I have some ripe banana and my banana then look a bit overripe. So these banana now, I ain't gonna throw them away. I'm gonna make a beautiful banana cake with them, guys. So over here, guys, we have 6 overripe banana. If you have this banana, you can make banana cake or you can make banana fritters. So we're gonna make a nice banana cake with us one today, guys. So over here we have 6 ripe banana. We have a half cup of white sugar. We have a cup of self-raising flour. We have a teaspoon of baking powder. We have a teaspoon of baking soda. We have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We have a quarter of a teaspoon of ginger powder. We have a quarter of a teaspoon of nutmeg. We have a quarter of a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. We're gonna use some vanilla. We have some butter. And we have 3 eggs we're gonna use for the cake. So in Selvin Kitchen, guys, awesome, delicious recipe. Please give me a thumbs up for the video, guys. Stay tuned. Awesome, delicious recipe coming up soon. So the first thing we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna deal with this ripe banana. So we're gonna take off the skin off of this ripe banana. Then after, we're gonna use a fork and crush them, because this banana are a little bit overripe. So, but instead of use, still can use them same way. It's optional. As I said before, if you have a banana like this, you can make banana fritters, or you can make a banana beautiful banana cake like I'm gonna make today in Selvin Kitchen, guys. So awesome recipe, guys. So what we're gonna do now, guys, we're just gonna get a fork and we're gonna crush this banana. We're just gonna crush them up like that. So just get a fork and just crush them, just refine them just like that, guys. It's a beautiful banana cake. I'm making a video already where I make a plantain cake. You guys can check it out. The plantain cake get some good views, so you guys can check it out and give me a thumbs up for the video, guys. So just get a fork like that and crush them out. Then after, I'm just gonna use the blender, not the blender, the mixer, and just refine them. So just crush them out like that, easy. And then after, I'm just gonna do the eggs. So just keep on crushing out this banana with the fork, guys, because we don't want no lump in our banana. Then I'm just gonna use the mixer and just refine them, just mix them out properly. Yes, my beautiful people, so I have 3 eggs here. We're just gonna break. So my beautiful people, so I finished mix out the egg. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna add my vegetable oil. I ain't gonna add no butter into this today. I'm gonna use vegetable oil. So I use 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And then I'm gonna add in some vanilla. I'm gonna add in around a tablespoon of vanilla, a tablespoon and a half of vanilla. So 1.5 tablespoon of vanilla. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna add in the dry ingredients together. Just gonna add in the flour. So just gonna add in a little portion of that flour first. Sieve that flour with a baking powder, a baking soda, that nutmeg, ginger, that cinnamon powder. Let's give that all a sieve. And sieve out all of that lump. We don't want this in it. You can use your finger, just mash it up like that. Get out all of those things. If you don't want to waste it, just get them out. And then we're just gonna give that a nice mix now with a spoon. Kind of give that a nice mix. Then after, just gonna use the mixer and mix it right around. But use the spoon first to everything to combine with each other. Just mix it one way. You don't want to mix it that way and that way. Just mix it one way. Just make it clockwise. So now I'm just gonna use the mixer to give it a last mix. Yes, my beautiful people, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put some butter in this thing. We're gonna put it in the oven. This is my bake tray, my bake pan, anything you want to call it. It's gonna add a little bit of butter to it, and then after I add the butter to it, I'm gonna add a piece of grease paper to that. I don't have to put the grease paper to it, but I'm gonna put the grease paper because I don't want it to, when I'm gonna take it up, the bottom gonna destroy. So that's why I'm adding a piece of grease paper to this. Just add in some butter all over that grease pan, because you don't want it when you're gonna take out. It's a non-stick grease pan anyhow, bake tray. So that's what they say, but sometimes you get it stuck there. So the most important thing you do, add a little butter to it. And please give me a thumbs up for the video, guys, and please share and like the video. Okay, you know that when you come on to Selvin Kitchen, we have a lot of awesome recipe coming out. So we're just gonna add a piece of grease paper to that, right down in the bottom of it. So just add in the bottom. So why add in the grease paper to it? Because sometimes if you're baking a cake and the liquid is too runny, sometimes it leak out in the bottom of the oven. You don't want that. Okay, so try and put the butter to it so that it can seal the bottom of it. So that's what I'm doing right now. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna throw this right out in this tray here. I want to get that all out. It's not really a big cake, as I use a different baking tin, but couldn't find them. I'm using this one. So just want to scrape out everything out in that. And then after, I'm just going to stuck it in the oven. Give it 45 minutes to an hour. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm just going to put it in the oven. Sorry for the oven fan, the nice, but I'm just going to stuck it in the oven. Put the oven on 150. So I'm going to put it in the oven right now. I'm going to close that. I'm going to give it around 45 minutes to 1 hour. So yes, my beautiful people. So the beautiful banana cake in there for the last 45 minutes. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to take it out. I'm going to check it. If it cooked, or I need to put it back in. We're going to take it out right now. Out of the oven. Ooh, that's steam. So the banana cake is here, people. Look at that. Beautiful banana cake. So I'm just going to check it. And if it cooked, I'm going to take it out. But if it don't cook, I'll put it in back. So what I'm going to do now, people, I'm just going to get a knife and stick in it. No, that's okay. That cooked. Yep. Stick in the middle. Yep, that's cooked. So in there for 45 minutes, that is cooked. When I put it on the knife, I stick out the knife like that, the knife is all clean. That's cooked. I'm gonna leave that there, let it cool.
Thanks for watching, my beautiful people. I really appreciate it. Please check out the rest of the channel for us of the beautiful videos on the channel, guys. So I will see you guys in the next video. Selvin Kitchen, guys. Stay safe. A lot of love from Selvin Kitchen, guys.